Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with a small Coach haul. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl, and let's get into this video. Okay you guys, so recently my kiddo and I went to the Coach outlet, and we picked up a few things. I showed in that vlog a few things that we picked up, but I also placed an order online. So let me show you the things that I got online, alright? Okay you guys, so one of the first things that I got is this very small little handbag. This is called the Nolita 15. I believe it comes in a 19 as well. But I recently got a red Marc Jacobs tote bag. I love that bag. And I got this to be like a catch-all in that bag. So that's why I got this red. Now the reds are not the same. This is more like a brick red kind of, but it's still not too bad. Like I said, I'm using it as a catch-all in my tote bag. So let me show you. Hold on. So this is my Marc Jacobs bag, and this is the Nolita. Like you see, the color is not the same, but once it's in the bag, it's fine. You can carry these as little handbags as well. I have the Louis Vuitton mini pochettes, and I wear those crossbodies as bags all of the time, like all the time, girl. So you can put on a longer strap if you want to, because that's usually what I do with my mini pochettes. And I just rock these as little handbags sometimes. But for size comparison, I'm going to show you. Here's one of my Louis Vuitton mini pochettes. So for size reference, I want to say that the Coach is just a little bit longer, but not by much. Not by much at all, okay? And I got these online. These were on sale, girl. So I want to say this was $50. Between $40 and $50. It wasn't that bad. I also seen some when I was in store as well. They had like the signature C's on it, but they were trimmed in like, one was trimmed in like the mustard color, and the other one in like a lavender purple color. But like I said, I just wanted this as a catch-all. It's real leather. It's way cheaper than these are now. So girl, okay. And you can carry this as a bag as well if you would like. So I also got this in another color. So you guys, I have this in black as well. And like I said, this is the Nolita 15. I do have a Nolita 19. It's in navy blue, and it's just a little bit bigger. I love that one as well. It's in my larger bags. I'll throw that in as a crossbody, as a catch-all as well. Or sometimes I'll wear that as a crossbody bag. So yeah, these things are so very versatile, and they are full leather. I love them. I love them. You can't go wrong, y'all. You cannot go wrong. Love these. Cute, right? So the next bags, you guys. Let's talk about this. I saw these online at Chanel. These are basically card holders on a chain, wallet on a chain, whatever you want to call it. I saw these online at Chanel, and I was like, no ma'am. No ma'am. No. So when I saw that Coach had these, I was like, hell yeah. And then when I saw that they were at the outlet, I was like, even better. So let me tell you, I have it in black, and I have it in the chalk white. Okay, so let me tell you, this is the old style that says the word Coach. This was the old style. The new style just has the C right here. Okay, so this is the newer one. This is the old one. But girl, they are the exact same thing, okay? This one is like with a little bit more, this strap is a little bit more shiny. The strap on the cream one is more like a brushed gold color, but it's still the exact same bag, okay? It has a slit pocket in the back. You open this. I didn't pull none of the stuffing out or nothing, y'all. Okay, it has a card slot right here. It's some more paper, y'all see. Another card slit right here, and then it's just this open compartment. So this is truly for the minimalist, okay? Your driver's license, a couple credit cards, maybe a gloss, maybe your key. I couldn't put my keys in here, my key fob, because I keep them in the key ring holder. But if you just want a card and maybe a lip gloss or something, this is for you, okay? So let me show you let me show y'all how this looks on. These straps are detachable, okay? But let me show y'all. Look, y'all. Look what I'm gonna do with this. What am I really gonna do with this? No, ma'am. So I do have a longer strap that I got from Organize My Bag. I think I only paid like $10 for it, something like that. Love it. And I wear it with damn near all of my bags where I want them to be longer. So let me show you when I add that strap. I'm gonna show you what that looks like, okay? Alright, you guys, so here it is with the longer strap on here, and that's much better. I like it like this. So like I said, this is for the minimalist, but you really don't want to have anything but your driver's license and a couple of cards and a lip gloss or chapstick or something like that. This is so cute, right? So this one is with the gold detail. I haven't seen any that had the silver on here, but that would be cute as well. But yeah, just a cute little bag. And I was like, why pay all that money for a Chanel when I can get this, girl? So yes. So let me tell you, this was on sale. This was like $41. $41. Okay, for the older one. Okay, keep that in mind, the older one. The newer one, y'all. The newer one. This one was $95 before tax. Okay? $95, $41. Okay, so I really like this. The only thing that I'm concerned about with this one is color transfer, because you guys know I wear a lot of dark clothes, a lot of black, a lot of denim. So I'm really concerned about that, but I love it though. I really love it. So you guys, this is how this would look if you just carried this on your shoulder. It would hit right here. And again, for reference, you guys, I'm 5'7", okay? All right, you guys, so that concludes my small little Coach haul. What do you guys think? What do you think? Do you like these little Nolitas? Like I said, I feel that they're a great alternative to the mini Pochettes from Louis Vuitton, and they're real leather. And they come in so many colors. I saw them in green, navy, red, blue, the different the standard Coach pattern. It was trimmed in black, brown, mustard, lilac. I've seen these in pink. They come in so many colors. And girl, don't sleep on the Coach outlet, okay? And they online as well. So yeah. And then for these, I like them, right? I think these are going to be the bee's knees this spring and summer. So why not get the same Chanel look for less? Okay. Alright, you guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, okay? Please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram, and your girl is now on TikTok at the ANGELLE Chick, on both of them, TikTok and Instagram, okay? I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.